of his rollback trailer, cut it off, put it on here, and weld in this hoist. He doesn't like using the trailer as much. This is the second truck I built for him. He's been a really good customer. Thanks, buddy. So yeah, that's the game plan. Game plan. Unless something needs to change. I don't have the equipment to get close up to that stuff yet, but I will probably start with it. Just blow this well out. And, save on the frame, save on the hoist for sure. I think these brackets will come in handy for mounting that tubing back up. They're a little bigger than what we need, but I'll save on, and then we'll know for sure when I set that tubing on here. If we can use that or not. Let's do it. It's cold. Gone through my second tank of propane today. They were both almost empty, so. But the hardware store in town, yeah, they're booked up. I won't get my propane until like 3 or 4 o'clock, and I'll almost be done working for the day. That's my fault. I knew they were low. I should have filled them before today. But I got my little electric heater. A lot of hopes and dreams. That's what's going to keep me warm. Even though I couldn't see what I was doing. Did very good. Not gonna be the prettiest cuts. It's good to see. Bear with me. Yeah. Gotta get my torch, make sure there's nothing in the way, and say I'm blowing this weld here out. I wait to tighten my tip so I see where I need it. So if I can come in here like this, and be pretty much free of hitting any interference, and I just hold it there and tighten it there. Yeah. almost there. There she is. Didn't you? Like a thinking man's build. I put pins in these hinges back here. I've done them myself, and I have seen others done where they're just, this is a one solid piece hinge. So it's all welded in. And the only way to get it off is to cut the whole hinge off. So, but not these. As long as this pin's not seized up, I can knock that pin out. We should be home free. Should be. We'll see. As long as they're not rusted in there. Rusty. Like that. Look. Oh yeah. What do you put down here? Not very much. One pin. So glad. Where I had car key extractors. All my guys, if I don't edit this out, that work with us. We had another name for them, a couple names. I'm not gonna say them on the camera, but you guys know, you remember. What I'm getting at is I need one of those right now. Got it listed inside here. This side's loose. Yep. Look at her! She's moving. Love it when a plane comes together. We're gonna clean all this up. Not a whole lot to clean up. These flatbeds and dump beds aren't too bad. Take off. Ooh, I got hot. Not too bad to take off. Especially if they're clean like this one was. It's not all rusted out. Taking a lot of beds and a lot of machines off. Moved put some on, but these are cakewalk. I advise that anyone that needs any of this stuff done, save yourself time and hire someone else to do it that knows what they're doing. What's going to take you a whole night, 2 days, whatever, on your own, because you've never done it before. You guys even talking to the camera and having to put some tools up and getting the tools together. The time I had just in the bed, probably like just working on the bed, not counting, moving trucks around and stuff, I'd say an hour, roughly. Because I'm showing an hour and 52 minutes on the camera. And I've stopped and talked a few times, probably a few minutes there. Maybe it's more than an hour and a half, we'll say an hour and a half. So, probably another 30 minutes getting it off. And most of that's just in rigging stuff up. And another thing is, like, when you hire someone that's done this before, takes beds off, upfits new beds, they've got the equipment to do it. They're not hiring or asking 4 buddies and buying a case of beer to come over and pick this bed up off their truck. Which, hey, that's great, that's fine and all, but if you're in business, your time is worth something. And my advice would be hire someone, but I'm also the guy doing it. Here's a key bolt we knocked out. Really wasn't too worn out. It was starting to wear. But I think the truck's only like 9 years old. I think. I'd have to look again, I can't remember. Look crazy. Thanks for watching.